sub you to this my bike check. It's the Eastern Traildigger 2010, and I guess I'll start from the front. Got the animal bar ends. I ordered the shadow ones, but they sent me these for some reason. They look the same and they're like the same price. I don't really care. Shadow 13 grips. Sunday Triumph bars. 8-inch rise. And I think they're 30 cross. Eastern stem. Eastern forks. Odyssey Elm Street tires. Eastern frame. Got the Rogue status seat. Animal Hamilton pedals. Eastern cranks. Got the Eastern Medusa chain wheel. KMC purple chain. What is it? Shadow Conspiracy hollow axle nuts, and then a redline tire. And what else? Yeah, I guess that's it.